I thought I I thought I would take a quick break from reading today and actually code something up. So here's a demo. I think it might actually be listening to me right now. But hello, who are you?
Hello. I'm an AI assistant here to help you with any questions or tasks you have. How can I assist you today?
Could you quickly tell me what the weather is in Ottawa? Now, while it's
The current
talking, I'm
weather in
actually going
Ottawa
to
is
explain
72
something.
degrees with a sunny and windy
Actually, I'm going to
forecast.
move over here. Okay. Hopefully, it can't hear me from over here. I haven't. I showed you guys a diagram with the wake word, and I haven't implemented that yet. So it's just listening to everything that I'm saying at the moment.
Apologies, but I'm not sure what you mean by the wake word and I haven't. Could you please provide more context or clarify your request?
Exactly. Okay. So I'm just going to show some of the things it can do at the moment. Right now, there's only 2 functions implemented, but basically, you can listen to me and then do some of the functions. So now the next steps are just to implement more functions and put this into a Raspberry Pi and actually make it useful. So I'm going to walk back over there and show you guys some more stuff. The wake word is just something that I'm planning to implement on you, like an upgrade.
Ah, I see. The wake word is a term used in voice recognition systems to activate the system and start listening for commands. If you're planning to implement a wake word feature, that means you want to add a capability for the assistant to listen and respond when a specific word or phrase is spoken. As an AI assistant, I don't have the ability to be directly modified or upgraded by users. However, you can certainly implement a wake word feature in your own application or project that uses voice recognition technology. There are various libraries and services available to help you achieve this, such as Snowboy, Porcupine, or even cloud-based speech recognition systems like Google Cloud Speech to Text or Amazon Transcribe. If you have any specific questions or need guidance on implementing the wake word feature, feel free to ask, and I'll do my best to assist you.
Yeah, I haven't initialized your context yet, but you're one of my own applications, so I can add stuff to you.
That's great to hear. If I understand correctly, you're planning to customize and integrate me into your own application. That's a fantastic idea. As an AI assistant, I can be integrated into various applications and platforms using APIs or SDKs. This allows you to leverage my capabilities and provide a conversational interface to your users. You can use the available APIs and SDKs to communicate with me, request information, perform tasks, and more. If you have any specific questions about integrating me into your application or need assistance with any API or SDK documentation, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you in any way I can.
Great. I have a quick question then. What did Friedrich Nietzsche mean when he said, having kept a close eye on philosophers and read between their lines for a sufficient length of time, I tell myself, the greater part of conscious thinking must still be counted among the instinctive activities. And this is so even in the case of philosophical thinking. We have to learn differently here as we have learned differently in regard to heredity and the innate.
Friedrich Nietzsche, a German philosopher, made this statement in his book Twilight of the Idols. In this passage, he suggests that despite conscious
That's
efforts
not
and deep
actually true.
analysis
This
in
isn't good and
philosophy,
evil.
much of our thinking still remains driven by instinct and unconscious processes. Nietzsche asserts that philosophical thinking, like other forms of thinking, is not solely a result of deliberate reasoning but is influenced by deeper, instinctive forces. By comparing philosophical thinking to heredity and innate traits, Nietzsche implies that our understanding of philosophy should not be limited to a purely rational or conscious approach. Instead, he suggests that we need to recognize and consider the influence of instinctive and unconscious aspects of our thinking when engaging in philosophical inquiry. Overall, Nietzsche's statement challenges the conventional view that philosophical thinking is purely a conscious and rational activity. He emphasizes the importance of acknowledging and understanding the instinctive and unconscious factors that shape our philosophical perspectives.
It's not super important, but that quote was actually from Beyond Good and Evil, not the book that you suggested. But could you quickly look up a video about this on YouTube?
Apologies for the confusion with the book reference. Unfortunately,
This is a
as an AI
LibriVox
text-based
recording.
model, I
All
don't have direct
LibriVox
access to the
recordings are
internet or the
public
ability to browse
For more
websites,
information,
including YouTube. However, you can easily search for videos related to Nietzsche's Beyond Good and Evil on YouTube yourself by using relevant keywords. This will allow you to find and watch videos that discuss the quote or provide interpretations on the topic.
Great, thank you. I'm going to turn you off now.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to ask. Enjoy your break, and feel free to